Hey, welcome to Ganam Academy where math get fun and simple. I'm super excited you are here today because we are diving into one of the most common and important math problem out there, that is quadratic equation. So grab your pen, let's go step by step, and by the end of this I want you to say that quadratic equations are easy. So let's solve this. So today we have this x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Is it scary to you? Not at all. Let me show you how easy this really is. So step 1, we are going to look for two numbers that when we multiply, we are going to have the product, and the product should give us this 6 times x, that is 1. We're going to have the product should give us 6, and the sum, when we add those two numbers, it should give us 5. So in this case, the number that we can think about is 2 and 3. So when we multiply 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, and when we add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So boom, we find the magic number. So we are going to factor out this equation. So we are going to have x squared plus this 3x plus 2x plus this 6 is equal to 0. So we are going to group this into 2. So we group this from there, and this one from there to there. So we are going to have our equation like this. So the common factor in these two parts, so in this case here is x. We have x here and we have x here. So we are going to, when we multiply x, so we are going to have x plus 3. When you open this bracket, it's definitely going to give us this. So we have that, and plus the common factor here is 2. So we are going to have 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is what we have, and we are going to regroup this into 2 again. So we are going to have x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So the solution is either equals to 3. So when we multiply two things and the resultant is 0, so it is either this one or this one is 0. So we have two possibilities. So x plus 2 may be equals to 0, or x plus 3 may be equal to 0. So in this case, we take this x on the other side. So we are going to have x is equal to -2 or -3. So can you solve this other question here? Now try this one and let me know in the comment what you have. So we have, so you can solve this: x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So let me know what you find in this answer.